2005 GTO. The motor has been reworked. It's now a 408. It's stroked, Procharged. All the inside's been redone. Got billet rods, low compression pistons. The engine was built by MAK Performance in Hialeah, Florida. The engine was actually built to handle up to 1,200 horsepower. It is nowhere near that at the moment. The only thing the car needs right now to be completed is an actual fuel system. So right now we're gonna crank her up. As you can see, the car, it doesn't say it there, but it's got 64,000 miles. Got longtube headers, magnaflow mufflers, cat deletes. Procharger D-1, custom polished valve covers, fuel rails, fuel pressure meter, custom catch can. Actually, it's a Marosa catch can, but it's custom installed. See the lines being ran here. Splitter. On the braided lines. Actually welded to the valve covers. All done by MAK Performance. Right now it's only pushing 3 pounds of boost. So one can already tell that there was more power after the rebuild. Our car runs in perfect condition.